Great. Let's start with the breathing. 1. 2. Inhale as much as possible. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Okay, good. Our lungs are pumped. Okay, now let's just clap our hands and bring it up. Just stand on your toes. Hold that for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now turn on to your right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly come up. On to your left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Okay, let's just do some basic rotation. We're going to do the neck rotation sidewise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Now rotation. 1, 2, do it slowly. 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Just hold your waist. We'll do hip rotation. Start clockwise. 2, 3, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Do shoulder rotation. Catch your shoulders. Do the rotation. 1, 2. Touch the elbows. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Now we'll be just doing the eye exercise. We'll be looking side and side. This is done especially if you were something more into the screen, like you're watching the screen for a long time and you feel dull and your eyes drooping down. So this exercise is best. Make sure after this exercise you just avoid seeing whatever screen, TV or sometime. Okay, we'll be looking sidewise, extreme left, extreme right, extreme left, extreme right, extreme left, extreme right, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now let's look up and down. Up, down, up, down, up, down, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now let's do the rotation clockwise. 1, right? See, as extreme as possible. 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Just keep blinking your eyes heavily. Okay. Great. Let's do this simple stretches. Push your right hand. Feel that stretch. Switch. Elbow. Switch. Pull your fingers. Down. Switch. And down. Great. Okay, so we're done with the stretching. Every part of the body. We just do a little bit of cardio just to warm up, not vigorous. Okay, because in this chill weather, it's really required to warm up. We suddenly cannot move on to vigorous exercises. We'll be doing the warm up. So first, we'll be doing 100 counts of straight jumping with your hands up, landing on your toes. Okay. Then we are going to do forward jogging, forward running for 50 minutes. Okay. No break in between. 100 counts of jumping and 50 counts of jogging. Okay. Start. So here, the reason we lift our hands up is our lungs are expanded, which helps us take in more oxygen. The reason we land in our toes is it helps in it triggers the calf muscles. Okay, let's start. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Last 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19, 20. That's 20, 9, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Immediately forward running. 50 count. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Last 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Just keeping slow jogging. Don't stop. Okay, relax. Move around. Okay, great. Now let's just move on to the mat. Okay, here we're doing a plank hold. When we have placed our arms and we are on our toes and we bring it in front and make sure there is no much of a hip up. Try to keep a hip down as much as possible and your toes closed like this. So this will be for the full arm strength. It will build the strength in your arms as well as helping for the toning of. Okay. So simple. We'll be doing for 20 counts, 2 sets. Just need to put pressure on your hands. Okay. Keep your toes as near as possible and hip has to be down as much as possible. Okay. Good. Let's start. 20 counts. Hands apart. Legs back. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good. Relax. Feel that pressure, strength building up in your arms. It's basically almost 50% of the body weight is here when you keep the leg closed and hips down. Okay, we got one more set to do. Only 20 counts. Probably 25. Let's slightly extend it. Let's have 25 counts here now. Okay, legs up. Count starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Good. Just keep doing this movement. Reverse. Up and down. Okay. Okay, now we'll be doing the pipe push-ups for the shoulders. Usually people they use weights for the shoulders, which only builds the muscle, but pipe push-up builds muscle as well as builds your strength. Since you are using your own body weight, it builds your strength. So our focus is not just muscle building, it is also building the strength. Okay. Simple, you'll be in the normal Parvatasana. Okay. When I give the count, you'll go down, bending your hands, doing the push-up. You're not looking front like this, you're looking back. Okay, when you do this, feel that pain in your shoulders, that strain. Okay, you'll be doing it for 20 counts, 2 sets. Okay, let's go. Let's do it. Yes. In position. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Come on, last 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Good job. Hope you're feeling that pain here. Means the shoulders are getting triggered, strengthened. Good. We have one more set to go. Come on. Last set. Only 20 counts. In your full energy. Make sure you put the pressure on your hand, your palms, when you're down. Okay. Let's do it. Come on. Legs up. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, plus 2, and 1. Good. Good. Just breathe in wherever you are. Just to gain your breath. Okay. Great. Now come up. We'll be moving on near the wall. Okay, everyone near the wall. So here what we'll be doing is we'll be facing our back to the wall, in our hands front. I'll just show you. Yeah. Okay, so there we'll be keeping our arms down, facing back to back. Okay, and we're gonna keep our toes, both the legs on top with the support of our hands. Okay, and as I give the count, you're gonna go closer and up. Okay, and again come front. Then again we're doing the same thing 3 more times. Only 5 counts. 5 counts 2 times. Okay. This is also for the strength, upper body. This your shoulders, your arms, your chest works. Okay, so full pressure has to be on your hands, and when you feel the blood rushing into your brain, just feel that is getting charged up to brain. Okay, when you feel that heaviness, just feel that you won't feel any discomfort. Okay, let's start. Only 5 counts. You'll be going back and coming front. When you go back, make sure your toes also move up. When you go down, when you go front, make sure your toes come down slowly. Okay, let's start, everyone. On the wall. Okay, let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, don't come down. If you are back, just come front and slowly come down. But sometimes when you're back and you try to come down, you may lose balance and tend to flip front. Okay, great. They say morning blood rush to the brain makes you feel fresh and energetic for the whole day. And it is true. Okay, come on, one more. 6 counts, only 6 counts. Let's do. When I give each count, try to make as much as movement possible. Okay, start. Legs up. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Great. Slowly come down. Feel your upper body building strength as well. Good. Just you want move around. Just move around. And do this movement. Great. Okay, now we'll be doing something for this core area as well as our arms. Basically, most of the strength lies in our arms. Okay. What we'll be doing is the support of our hands. We just lifting ourselves up like this and holding for 10 seconds. So here, what is happening? Building your strength here as well as squeezing your core, which will be helping in tightening it. Okay. You need not be that you place your full palm down. This you can like use your fingers like this support, like support. Okay, let's start. Only 10 counts, 2 sets. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Good. Okay, one more time. We're doing it. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Lift up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great. Okay, I guess we can do another set. Only 10 counts. Okay. Last set. Only 10 counts. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Just sit down wherever you are and just keep doing the breathing. Here, strength lies in your arms, and you're squeezing your core. You squeeze all that unwanted fat and bring out the muscles. Okay, now we going down on the mat, lying down, the knees bent, gonna hold it, do this movement, which goes up and down. We're doing it for 20 counts and then holding it for 20 counts. Okay, so make sure to push up your hip as much as possible. So this will be squeezing the glutes to help burn that extra fat and build muscle at the same time. It's gonna tone. Okay, you're gonna hold your legs 2 feet apart. Okay, catch your hand. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep squeezing your glutes as much as possible. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly lie down. That pain. Good. Okay, now we'll be doing the diamond push-ups. Your hands in shape of a diamond. Okay, and lifting back, it's parallel to the chest, going down. and coming up. Those are finding it difficult, you just land your knees and do the movement. Going down and coming up. Okay. Only 10 counts, 2 sets. So here our inner chest is going to get expanded. You're going to get that cut here as you keep on doing this, and it should be beneficial for the triceps also. So again, put pressure on your hands. You won't feel that extreme discomfort. Okay, put pressure on your hands as much as possible. You're just pushing. You're not just using your whole body weight. Try to use more of your hands. Okay, only 10 counts, two sets. Okay, diamond push-ups. Because you all are diamonds, right? So this is not a problem. Come on. Let's go up. Diamond push-up, 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great. Feel your inner chest getting the pressure here, this area. So it's gonna get a, what do you call? Gonna get some lines here in between when you tend to flex as you keep doing this. Okay, one more 10. Come on, diamonds. Let's do the diamond push-ups. 10 counts, full energy. Pressure on your hands. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great. Just keep doing this movement, expanding your chest, feeling that stretch, stretching. Good. Okay. Now we'll be doing something for our legs. Simple squats, 20 counts. Okay. Here what we'll be doing is after 20 counts, we'll be going back, doing the wall sit in the first 20, and you'll be lifting your left leg up. Okay. For 15 counts only. And the second time we do 20, go to the wall sit and lift our right leg up. Okay. Good. Let's start. Yeah, let's slightly apart, not too much. Hands clasped. Let's move on. 20 counts. Come on. 1, 2. Your back has to be straight. 3, 4. Push your hip back, not your knee front. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Come on, feel your legs building up. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, on the wall. And lift your left leg up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Slowly come up. Great. Feel that. Feel your right leg. It is being pressurized. Okay, we got one more set to go. Just keep doing this movement. Throw your legs around. Great. Okay, let's start. Last set. Squats. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come on. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come on, all sit. Lift your right leg up now. Leg straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You could take the support of the wall like this. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Plus 5, 4, 3, 2, 2.5, 1, and 0. Great. Keep walking around. Throw out our legs. Great job. Just wherever you are, do the breathing for 3 counts. Okay, now last exercise of the day. We're going to do the side planks. Actually, try to do the side love and exercise every day because nowadays we tend to sit a lot, and even though any person has low body fat percentage, that some amount of fat tends to get stored here more, and so at least whatever workout you do every day, just include any love and exercise and do it every day. Okay, here we do the side plank and going coming down and pushing our hip inside, squeezing our side. So bring your hand to the area where you want to burn that stubborn fat. Okay, and just feel that burning. What happens here is when you feel that triggers the fat burning process faster, which will help in burning the fat. So just keep feeling that instead of feeling the pain, feel the reason behind the pain because the fat is burning. Okay, so 30 counts, 2 sets on each side. Okay, left and right. Starting the left side, hands down. Ready? Let's go up. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4. When you go down, squeeze. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 10, 18, 19, 20, last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Feel that pain here. Basically, when we do the exercise, we feel it tough and difficult, but after doing it, we feel good because of the hormone serotonin, which is released. It's a feel good hormone. Okay, come on, one more set. 30 counts. Let's start. Make sure whenever you do the plank, you don't give much gap after each set, probably just maximum around 20 seconds gap, and then start it. Because when you do the second set, the pain will be more. It means it is getting triggered. Okay, let's start immediately. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Imagine yourself getting a V-shaped body. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Very good. See that pain here? See that fat going away? The stubborn fat. Most stubborn fat lies here. Okay, we are done with the right side. 2 sets. Then we are done. Go down on the ground. Ready? Let's go. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Squeeze as much as possible. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Great. Relax. The first set usually isn't that painful, but the second set is. Okay. Catch your breath. Get ready for the next set. 10 more seconds. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Come on. Last set, 30 counts. Enjoy it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, last 10, 9, come on, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Great. Relax. We are done today. Wherever you are, just do the breathing. It's time for relaxation. Make sure if you don't get time for the other breathing exercise, such as pranayama, kapalabhati, at least 10 minutes of shavasana is required after vigorous workout or any workout, because the body was under tremendous stress, and to eliminate this shavasana is required. 10 minutes, okay, everyone on the ground, shavasana, here placing your hands in chin mudra, keeping it down, just closing your eyes, feeling every part of your body now getting relaxed. Feel that those stubborn fat has been used as energy. The muscles are coming up. So some slow breathing. Body is relaxed now. It was in an anaerobic mode, slowly coming down to the aerobic mode. Feel your heart rate coming down. As you're in Chin Mudra, close your eyes. Focus how you want to look in the upcoming days. The, the body you want to achieve, the goals you have been hunting for. And the toxins getting eliminated in the form of sweat and the breathing out. Just relax your body. Just keep visualizing whatever you want to achieve and be silent now. Okay, now slowly turn on your right side. Lift your right hand up. With the support of your left hand, push yourself up and come up. Now rub your palms, cover your face, your legs, your arms. Once more. Rub your palms, catch your head like this. Your shoulders, chest, your abdomen, your legs. Once more, just catch your head slightly. Last time, rub your palms and place them on your face. Slowly open your eyes. Come up. Good. We are done. Okay. So make sure you take in good food, good protein after workouts, because in workouts we tend to lose muscle, not the fat, and to gain that muscle we need some good protein, healthy protein from the legumes and the pulses. Okay, thank you everyone. Hope you had a great day with me, great workout with me. Anyone who has joined for the first time can introduce themselves.